What's up, guys? I am really excited for this video because I'm a nerd and I love the blues and I love John Mayer. This is a cool little blues lick. It just sounds sick. I stole this lick from John Mayer, who is one of my biggest influences in playing, especially being a soloist. I stole it from one of his live performances. I think it's from Where the Light Is. It's just one of the John Mayer trio licks, but it sounds like this right here. I'll do it in the key of C, so... So let's break this down. 8th fret, B string, E string. Next, he's going to hammer on 10th fret on the B string. Again, 8s, 8-10 or 10-8. Throw a rake on it. Play through the dead notes. So you get the ring. Now, you're going to do an up rake, right? You're going to hit the 10th fret on your D string, which is a C, which is our root. So far, we got... Now, we're going to go to the G and B strings, right? We're going to go 8-8, and on the G string, we're going to hammer on the 9th fret and keep the 8th fret on the B string. Still raking down on that one. Then after this, we're going to rake up to the G, 10th fret on our A string. It's a G right there. You're going to rake up. So, right? Next, take this G, move it down to an F. 10th fret to our 8th fret. We're going to play an E flat, 6th fret on our A string, slide up to an E. Last note's going to be C, our root, 10th fret on our D string. So here it is mega slow. Up to speed. So that's a cool little John Mayer inspired lick. I really love it. I do use it a lot. I gotta say, I stole it from the guy. I'm sorry, John. It's a cool lick. Imitation is the best form of flattery. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like what you see, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you soon.